5 reasons why most people stay broke. Money, or lack thereof, can have a profound impact on our lives. Unfortunately, most people stay broke, living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet. To understand this, here are 5 reasons why people stay broke. The number 1 reason why people stay broke is because of bad budgeting. Many people don't understand the importance of tracking their expenses and creating an effective monthly budget that allows them to save money for the future. Without proper budgeting habits in place, it's easy to overspend and leave with nothing left over. The second reason why many people stay broke is that they have high levels of debt. With so many Americans living beyond their means and using credit cards as a way to pay for everyday purchases, it's no wonder that debt levels are so high. The heavier your debt load is, the more money you need to dedicate each month towards paying off those balances, leaving you with less available cash flow. The third factor contributing to staying broke is a lack of emergency savings. Most financial experts recommend having enough money saved up in case of emergencies, such as an unexpected medical bill or job loss. But many individuals don't take the time to build up an adequate emergency fund, leaving themselves vulnerable when disaster strikes. Unfortunately, this happens to high-income individuals too. Poor investments also play a role in keeping people broke. High-risk investments may promise large returns, but often come with bigger risks as well. If someone invests their hard-earned money in something that doesn't yield expected results, they can quickly go from being financially secure to being short on funds. Finally, low wages can be a serious hindrance when it comes to staying out of poverty. Many jobs simply don't pay workers enough money to live comfortably. Instead, they must supplement their income by taking on multiple jobs or relying on public assistance just to get by. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.